Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of our 2017 Ford Mustang VA GT Fastback we have new in stock. This Mustang is finished in race red. You've got a nice specification. To start with, you have the optional black painted 19-inch alloy wheels, also some of the badging around the exterior in gloss black. You've got the 5-litre V8 engine in the front. You've got a full leather interior as well. In the boot, you can see the subwoofer for the Shaker Pro audio system, which is another optional feature. You've got a full leather interior, full electric functions on the side of the seats as well as lumbar support. You've got a leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to cruise control on the left-hand side. You've got your leather-wrapped gear knob and gear gaiter. You can see the red trim on the top. You've got ambient lighting visible in the cup holders as well in the centre console. You've got access to some of your different driving modes as well through the centre console here. You can see them changing through on the driver's display behind the steering wheel, some of your different steering modes and some of your different driving modes. You've also got the optional climate control package with this Mustang that gets you the heated and cooled front driver and passenger seats. And on your centre screen you can see access to your DAB radio system as well as your rear parking camera as another optional feature. If you'd like any more information on this Ford Mustang, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.